If you miss this deadline, that means you don't have a claim and you can't enforce your rights. So please listen up. Filing deadlines for any kind of legal claim are extremely strict. They're also called limitation periods. And unless we're talking extreme and rare circumstances, there will be no flexibility. And let me just say, I have empathy. It is so hard. We have life, we have stress, we have depression, perhaps we have other disabilities that make it really hard to adhere to timelines, but the law is not flexible. So mark your calendars, take note of all these deadlines, and make sure that if you can, even set yourself a deadline a week before and make sure that you're ready. So here are the details. For human rights cases, you only have 1 year. That's not a lot, but that's what it is. So it's only 1 year. That's all you've got. Make sure that you note it. And for any other kind of civil claim, it's usually 2 years with some small exceptions. Now, that doesn't just mean any time on the day of the 1 year anniversary. So if I file it before midnight, I'm fine. No. Courts and tribunals have very strict rules about what days count as holidays, what days count as business days. So for example, if your deadline falls on a Saturday, most courts and tribunals will say, that's okay, you can file it on the Monday thereafter. But check, because not every court and tribunal has the same rules. Everyone has rules of procedure. Look them up and check and make sure you know well in advance what the deadline is. But it's also going to be at either 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. of the day. So not midnight, not 10 p.m., not 6 p.m. So if you have a deadline, make sure you get it in, I would say before 4 to be cautious, or you can check the rules. It's always great to get legal advice if you're not sure, to make sure that you're not missing something that's going to run you into a problem where you can't make the claim, or you all of a sudden have to hire a lawyer to make really significant legal submissions to try and keep your claim in. Take someone below that needs to hear this and let me know in the comments how you handle deadlines.